Good morning, everyone. So may I request everyone please stand. May I first ready back up to the prayer. For those who are the college, please make time for class. Glory be to the Father, and to the Son, and to the Holy Spirit, as it was in the beginning, is now, and ever shall be, the world without end. Please sit down. Good morning, class. Good morning. So before we start, for your attendance, please get one each sheet of paper, write down your name, and pass it forward. Tahitin ninyo pala na. Yes, yes. Non-fiction, ma'am. Yes. Okay, pass mo po. Are all papers in? Yes, ma'am. So now, let's do some small recap. So, alright, are you ready, class? Yes, ma'am. Okay, now who can tell me what our previous lesson? Anyone from the class? Yes, Angel. Our previous lesson is all about early theories language. Okay. Thank you, Miss Angel. Okay, very good, Angel. So, any question or clarification from our previous lesson? None, ma'am. Okay, this time, I want to present to you our classroom rules for you to be guided with until the end of our class. So, here are 7 classroom rules. So, let's show respect to everyone. E. Engage actively in all activities. B. Value the opinion of others. E. Ensure a positive atmosphere and never disrupt the learning of others. Can you follow our classroom rules, class? Yes, ma'am. Good. So now, let's proceed to our new lesson. Are you ready? Yes, ma'am. So, first we have our activity. Our activity for today is called Language Acquisition Quiz. Your task is to group yourself into groups and prepare a one sheet of paper and answer this. I'll give you 5 minutes to answer our question. Isa. Yes, sir, you. If something by answer or wrong. Ipasa mo. Bila na. Okay, class, are you done? Yes, ma'am. So now let's check our activity. So number 1, everyone please listen. Number 1, children typically learn their first language through formal instruction. Is it true or false? False. So why is it false? Because typically the first language is developing naturally not instruction. Yes. So children typically learn the first language through formal instruction. So, ang first language kay bata siya natural, maabot sa tupangan, may bata na to. So, kahit sa pagbabata na to, tama magkanan ko. So, di na ginangin na to, kailangan napay nagpupuan mo magtulo or napay paminawang karong kabalungan ng language. So, number 2, adults cannot achieve native like proficiency in the second language. So, what's your answer? False. Yes, it is false. False. So, Ariana, why is it false?
Adults cannot achieve native life proficiency.
Why is it false?
It is false. It is because adults cannot achieve diba, hindi ka na, as ka na ito, as grow ka na, makakita o malapit ka, magkakita o sensitivity in our development. So, if we pass that, if wala ka na kagiana, we cannot, adults cannot achieve native like proficiency in second language. Adults cannot achieve native like proficiency in second language. So, Marcella, can you defend your answer?
True ako ma'am because ang second language is dili kay nato siya ma-achieve like sa tuwang native language na flowing sa istorya ba sa tuwang kwan kay need pa man nato i-learn ang atong second language. So dili kita para sa tuwang first language na native na wala kang speak without speech na wala kayo ba fluency.
Thank you for the one question. So,
Answer. Question.
Answer natin.
Thank
Thank you for the answer. So, false ang answer dili because dili tanan. Although na ay uban nga, isod yun, pero na uban nga, maayon sila, diligan sa ilang, pero dili sa ilang pagpaningkamot, bitaw, pagpaningkamot, kung saan ko datoon, so dili tanan, tao, dili flowing from second language. So, now, so pila yung score? 1. So next, this is our next activity. Now let's focus on our discussion for today, which is the first language and the second language appreciation. So let's start by discussing the language appreciation. But before we start our discussion, let me introduce to you our objectives. Everyone, please be at the end of the student is able to conversation and second language conversation. Identifying these and their diseases. The level and mentally required second language learners are recognizing the challenges and barriers they face compared to first language learners. And from these language conversation strategies that are effective for both first and second language learners. Yes, so first we discuss the language acquisition. Language acquisition is the process through which humans gain the ability to be aware of language, to understand it, as well as to produce and use words and sentences to communicate. So, first language, Ms. Wataso, please read.
First language is children acquisition of their native language.
Yes, so, ang bata, matawagin mo na first language niya, if sa sukat bata ka siya, muna yung nga language, yan na katunan. Kaya, di ba mo ka makakusid sa second language, ito ka yung first language.
language is learning a language after acquiring the first language.
On the other hand, learning a language after acquiring the first language is called the second language. So, di ka makaproceed sa second language, di ka mag-agree sa first language. Okay, first and second language. So, next is, now let's now review differences and the similarities of first language acquisition and the second language acquisition. So first, the main differences between the two is that first language is a child learning his native language, whereas second language is learning a language beside his native language. So, ang first language is native language na to. So, example, kung sa inyo lang sinibawa, Bisaya, di ba? Ito mo tawag na first language. Or if sumalit mo ka, muna yung native language, so muna yung first language. So, second language is beside this native. So, example, if kabalo ka mo Bisaya, tapos kabalo ka mo Subano, so if mo ang Bisaya, hindi mo nagawaan ko na yun. So, ang Subano yung mga language, mo na yung mga second language. The next is this. The first language is like an instinct which is triggered by birth and developed with the experience of being exposed to it. A second language is a personal choice of a person. So, first language is instinct, meaning, well, sa bata ka, mo na sunod sa iyong utok, gamitan sa iyong pagpaminaw. So, mag-trigger na siya by birth, kanang, magkadako, muna na yung mga may gamit nga language. So, second language is trace sa tao, na may ibang yung Bisaya, na may ibang angon. So, trace nila, dito sila mag-uglain pang language. So, ba, gusto makalar mo, lain na language para makatumiligit sila sa tanang tao. The next is, there is no other alternative to a first language. It comes to give or her as an inheritance, legacy, or birthright. So, ang first language daw is, kanang di ka makapili. Di ka makapili. Muna yung second language ko yung di ko anak kay bati. Anak ka tao. Ganahan ka yung social. Kanang mag-English ka mo yung first language. Dili. Kung sige kang kuwan, kung sa'yo, inistoryahan sa yung mga ginikanan, muna na yung mga first language. On the other hand, a second language is always fixed by person. So, by choice, lagi na ang second language. Then, the acquiring process of the first language is very rapid, while the learning process of the second language can vary from language to language. So, first language is very rapid na process. So, kanang paspas ikaw na hinahapinahan na ng instruction. Di ka rin sa second language niya, hindi mo ka na naibagtugutin mo, nakakay paminawag para makapalukaan ang second language. Then, first language is acquired, and the second language is learned. So, ang acquired, meaning, ini ka na sa bata. Dapat, kanang sa pagkala ko sa bata, pagkala ko, normal na siya ang language niya. Ako na niya, mas hindi siya tuduan. While ang second language is learned, meaning, napay process, but as the process, makabalukaan ang language. Then, a first language is completely acquired with 10% proficiency in 6 years. So, sa 6 years nimo sukad sa pagkatao nimo, kanang 100% na imo proficiency meaning kung kaano na ka dyan na wala ka og sentence nga kumpleto, inaka ng murag napakaiba first word nyo. Well, mama, anak, lago na sa within 6 years. While second language can be never learned as efficiently as the FL. So, ang kating second language is kanang first word mo is full sentence na hindi pa rin kaaling sa first language nga hindi pa o kay kanang lago na ka na ay nagsugod ka sa gamay lang na letter ay gamay na word tapos taman sa mga istorya na din ka wala second language is lago ka diretso ka o kanang full na sentence. Then next is first language acquisition is always natural. So, mo ang ingon natural ang sa motivation itong activity is natural sa personality. Then, there's no need for instruction. But the native na speech. Dili ka magtuon, makabalo na kalag ko. Dayon, the first language appreciation begins with telegraphic speech. This is derived from the word telegram, was coined by Roger Brown. It refers to the word a child can utter. Example, mom see dad go, no ball, daddy walk, mommy milk. On the other hand, second language begin with full sentences. So, ang ganito po, first language is anasitawag telegraphic speech. So, example is, kanang ngayon na bata na mama, hindi, anak, kanang nanakay ba nga, unsa yung inig, nga magamit siya of 2 words. So, any question or clarification about our new lesson today? Alright, be ready because we will have an activity. Please prepare a 1/4 sheet of paper to answer this multiple choice. I read the question twice only, so please listen. Number 1. Which of the following is not a factor influencing second language acquisition? A. Age of acquisition. B. Motivation. C. Socioeconomic status. D. Native language proficiency. 1. Which of the following is not a factor influencing second language acquisition? A. Age of acquisition. B. Motivation. C. Socioeconomic status. D. Native language proficiency. Number 2. What is the common similarity between first language and second language? A. First language and second language learners go through similar stages of language. B. Second language typically achieve fluency faster than first language learners. C. First language and second language learners do not experience any differences in language processing. D. First language and second language acquisition rely solely on formal instruction. 2. What is a common similarity between first language and second language? A. First language and second language learners go through similar stages of language. B. Second language typically achieve fluency faster than first language learners. C. First language and second language learners do not experience any differences in language processing. D. First language and second language acquisition rely solely on formal instruction. Number 3. Which of the following is an example of a language learning strategy? 3. Which of the following is an example of a language learning strategy? A. Repeating new vocabulary words out loud several times. B. Watching television without subtitles in the target language. C. Avoiding interaction with native speakers. D. Memorizing grammar rules without practice. Number 4. What is the common challenge faced by second language learners? A. Lack of exposure to the target language. B. Limited cognitive development. C. Genetic predisposition to language learning. D. Innate ability to mimic native speakers. Number 4. What is the common challenge faced by second language learners? A. Lack of exposure to the target language. B. Limited cognitive development. C. Genetic predisposition to language learning. D. Innate ability to mimic native speakers. The last number 5. What is the term used to describe the phenomenon where language learners tend to transfer elements of their native language to the second language. 5. What is the term used to describe the phenomenon where language learners tend to transfer elements of native language to their second language? A. Linguistic interference. B. Language attribution. C. Language specialization. D. Language acquisition device or D. LAD. Are you all done?
Yes, ma'am.
So now let's check our activity. Let's exchange your papers with your signates. Okay, number 1. Which of the following is not a factor influencing second language acquisition? The answer is letter C. Socioeconomic status. Number 2. What is a common similarity between first language and second language? The answer is A. First language and second language learners go through similar stages of language. Number 3. Which of the following is an example of a language learning active strategies? The answer is letter A. Repeating new vocabulary words out loud several times. Number 4. What is the common challenge faced by second language learners? The answer is letter A. Lack of exposure to the target language. Number 5. What is the term used to describe the phenomenon where language learners tend to transfer elements of their native language to their second language? The answer is letter A. Linguistic interference. So, we got 5, 4, 3, 2. You got all 3 scores. So now we're talking about others. Let's clap for my for the perfect score. So did you now understand our lesson for today, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. So if you truly understand our lesson, can you raise your hand and share to us what you are understanding about our lesson today? Yes, Angel.
My understanding about our lesson for today is that first language is native language, whereas the second language is slow lang siya, and ang first language is acquired and also always natural, and the second language is not natural and it needs continuous guidance and instruction. Yes.
Thank you, Angel. So another hand for please share your ideas to us. Anyone? Yes, Ms. Shala.
My own understanding is first language is children acquire. My own understanding is first language is children acquiring their native language, and the second language is children before acquiring their first language.
Thank you, Shala. Since there is no one or there's no other one to share their ideas, let's have now our last activity, which is the evaluation. So, instruction, please indicate whether each statement is true or false. by selecting the appropriate option. So, ready na?
Yes, ma'am.
So number 1, I repeat the question twice only. Number 1, first language acquisition occurs during childhood, while second language acquisition can be happen at any age. Number 1, first language acquisition occurs during childhood, while second language acquisition can happen at any age. Number 2, true or false, socioeconomic status, genetic predisposition, and physical environment are factors influencing second language acquisition. Number 2, socioeconomic status, genetic predisposition, and physical environment are factors influencing second language acquisition. Number 3, language transfer refers to the influence of a person's second language on their first language learning. Number 3, language transfer refers to the influence of a person's second language on their first language learning. Number 4, according to the critical period hypothesis, language acquisition becomes more difficult after the age of 12. According to the critical period hypothesis, language acquisition becomes more difficult after the age of 12. Number 5, metacognition, the awareness of and understanding of one's own thought processes, is a cognitive process involving both first and second language acquisition. Number 5, metacognition, the awareness and understanding of one's own thought processes is a cognitive process involving both first and second language acquisition. So all that, please exchange your papers and this number 5, metacognition, the awareness and understanding of one's own thought processes is a cognitive process involving both first and second language. Are all possible. So number 1, true. Number 2, true. Number 3, false. Number 4, false. Number 5, true. So, who got 5? Who got 4? 3. Okay. So now we are all done for our new lesson today. So now before we end our class, I'll give you an assignment to be passed out to our next meeting. The assignment is write down 5 differences and 5 similarities of first language acquisition and second language acquisition. So, any clarification or question about our class today? None. So, if none, that would be all for today. Goodbye, class.
Goodbye, ma'am.